Hello friends, welcome to Full House Kitchen. Today we bring you a very easy salmon curry recipe. The combination of salmon and mustard goes really well. So if you like mustard or if you like mustard curry, then this recipe is for you. Very easy, simple recipe. So let's go ahead and get started. I got 2 salmon fillet with the skin. You can have skinless salmon as well. So I've cleaned it nicely and just with the paper towel, wipe it off any extra water, and now our salmon fillet is ready for marination. It's a very simple marination. Here I got quarter teaspoon of salt, just sprinkle it around. I got quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and around 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon or lime, anything you can use. Just squeeze it nicely. You can have 1 to 2 teaspoon of lemon juice or lime juice and nicely spread it around with all the salt and turmeric and lemon juice. Just make sure that the salmon is coated with 1 layer of salt, turmeric and lemon juice, and let it rest for around 10 to 15 minutes at least. For curry, I got 2 big size tomato roughly chopped. Either you can have 2 big size or 2 to 3 medium or small size tomatoes. 6 to 8 garlic cloves and 2 to 3 green chili. I got 1 tablespoon yellow mustard and 2 tablespoon black mustard, which is also called rye. If you don't have yellow mustard available, you can have 2.5 tablespoon of black mustard only. There is 2 ways to make this masala. Either you can combine both the mustard with garlic and green chili and soak it in some water for at least half an hour to 1 hour. It's just because it's easier to grind it that way. And the other ways which I'm going to use is I'm just going to dry grind both the mustard together and then make the masala. So in my coffee grinder, I'm just going to combine both the mustard together with a pinch of salt, and I'm going to make it in a powder form. So here it is, my dry mustard powder is ready. So now we'll go ahead and proceed for the masala. Now my mustard powder is ready, so we'll combine everything now in a mixer grinder and we'll make a paste with little bit of water. If you need to add, then please add like a quarter cup of water and make a fine paste. So this is just a way of making the paste. You can make the same paste by soaking the mustard in water for half an hour to 1 hour and grind it all together. And here now I'm just straining the paste. What it does is it gets rid of the tomato peel and hard skin of the mustard, which really gives the gravy a nice and smooth texture, and it also removes the bitterness of mustard. Now our masala is ready and our salmon is marinated well, so let's go ahead and start the cooking. First we are going to shallow fry our salmon fillets. For that, here I am adding 2 teaspoons of oil and into goes our salmon fillet. We are going to shallow fry this on a low medium heat. Occasionally turn it around and just make sure that the salmon is nicely cooked from all the sides. It is a very delicate fish, and to make sure that it holds its shape and shallow fries well, you need to make sure that you shallow fry it on a low medium heat. So we are just going to turn it around and just make sure that it fries well from all the sides. Around 3 to 4 minutes is good for the salmon to shallow fry. Our salmon is looking good, nicely golden from all the sides. So now we are going to take off our salmon from the pan. In the same pan, here I'm adding 2 more teaspoons of oil, and for seasoning here I'm adding quarter teaspoon of black cumin, which is also called nigella seed, and quarter teaspoon of methi, which is fenugreek seed, and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let the seasoning cook nicely, let all the seeds nicely splutter, and then we are going to add our paste. Now we are going to cook our masala on medium heat for at least 2-2.5 minutes. We don't have to cook this masala for very long time, unlike any other curry masala. Just 2.5 minutes is good. That's why I mentioned at the beginning that this is a very easy recipe, because you don't have to fry the masala for very long time. And after 2 minutes you can add some water as per your choice. Whatever consistency of the gravy you want, you can add the water. Here I'm adding some water which I removed from the mixer grinder. So add those water, and you can adjust the consistency at this time, and you can taste the gravy and add salt and chili accordingly. Do keep in mind that we have added salt in the salmon. I always prefer to add the coriander leaves into my curry, which gives a really nice extra boost to the curry, and the flavor is just amazing. And here I'm adding half a cup of water, which will because my gravy looks really thick. And you can adjust the consistency, how thin or thick gravy you want. And now we are going to add our salmon into it. We don't have to cook the salmon with the curry for a long time. We just have to cover the salmon with the gravy, because our salmon is already cooked, our gravy is cooked, and we don't want to overcook the salmon, as it will lose its texture. So I just prefer to cover the salmon with the gravy, and our salmon curry is ready. I hope you like this easy, simple and very flavorful recipe. Please do give it a try and share your comments with us. And if you like this recipe, please do give it a like. Thank you so much for watching.